Hey everyone. Oh wait, is this on your channel or my channel?
I don't know. Who knows?
Okay.
We're gonna figure it out eventually.
Yeah, that'll happen one day. Hey everyone. Parmesan here. And you're here.
And I'm here.
Yeah.
Yeah, my name is not Angel. I am a fake version.
We're
hi.
We're playing the Restoration, the best Smobex episode.
Yeah, it has won Game of the Year for the past 25 years.
Yeah, and
Stop it.
so I've been working on some Lua stuff, in which case I got co-op to work, so it doesn't work with all the Lua features, but like, hey, we can play this.
Yeah. Like, of course, Smobex 2.0 is not made for like 2 players, but that's why we chose an episode which is made for like 1.3.
Yeah. What was that?
Oh, that was completely normal. Don't worry.
This scares me.
Nah, it's fine.
So you've played this before.
I've played this before. Yeah, I've played the entire episode before. And I have opinions on it.
Do you? Wait, you have opinions?
I have opinions.
That sounds like shenanigans.
It does. We need to find gears.
Gears?
Yeah, like the little gears we found. We need to find more of them. There's like one to the right, I think. I put the key into the keyhole for now. There's this laser, I think you guys deactivate the laser.
You want me to just go up there?
I don't know where the last one is.
Yeah,
Oh, there it is.
I'm really impressed with new 1.4 features like Mario being in it.
That's my favorite part.
Yeah.
Where's the
So this is a vanilla episode?
Yeah, this is vanilla 1.3. Oh, there it is.
Oh.
There, the problem with the gears has been fixed. Oh no, I died.
Oh.
Don't jump on the hostile toads. Okay, let's just skip the intro level. We even
Was that not supposed to happen?
I mean... Okay, here's the plan. You don't die.
How'd I die?
Well, I died because the start points are overlapping and I went into the plants. And...
Do you think it's too early? The weather... Okay.
This is grayish highlands. Here, look, there's a mushroom for you.
Cool.
Nice.
This is Toho music.
This is Toho music.
Why? Oh my god, wait. Does this game suffer from inappropriate Toho music all the time?
In this level it does. I don't know much about the other levels. I think they're pretty tame with Toho music.
Do you play Toho?
No.
Okay.
I haven't played a single Toho.
Okay. So you know how, like, inappropriate Toho music's kind of an awful thing? All the time?
I don't know what do you mean by inappropriate.
Like this, like it's super unfitting.
Oh yeah, of course.
Yeah, like, I like Toho a lot. I think it's a really good game, but what the fuck? Why do people use it everywhere?
You see, that's the same reason why other people use Mario music everywhere. It makes no sense.
Oh my god, I hit a switch.
Right. Look. This is my favorite part. Okay, so you hit that switch.
Mm-hmm. That was a cool... I liked that effect.
The first time I went here, and second time I went here, and third time I went here, I went back because I thought it triggered something further back, which allowed me to hit the switch.
I'm a jangler, so...
What the heck is going on there? Okay, get me up there. I want
Up there?
Yeah. Alright.
Yeah.
Just a coin. Perfect.
And after we played, I think it was... Shit! Well...
Game over! No?
Okay,
Okay, nice. I'll take it.
again?
And now it's a game over. Heck yeah, we won. Yeah, and then Jesus gets hit by a bus. Okay, that's the sequence where we died.
Oh.
Alright, it's the same level. Let's go.
Is this the same background?
I don't know.
The,
Look, it's the flashing sea.
Oh my god, that was amazing.
It's our center.
Like, what? What is with those intro speeds?
I'm out of ideas.
Well,
Who's that?
nobody. It's me. But,
Oh, this level is a different aesthetic.
yeah, it's a different aesthetic. Visually.
Yeah.
It's also a little bit difficult to distinguish between foreground and background, I would say.
It
that-
could be worse.
It could be worse, definitely, but it's something that is to be considered. Usually I don't like use black outlines and backgrounds to prevent that.
Huh.
I'm out of ideas.
Okay, here's what's gonna happen. There.
Does that mean that the water rose?
No, the water didn't rise, there's no stuff there. Oh, by the way, funny thing about like disco shots and smoothbacks, they only hit blocks when they approach them from the right.
Really?
Makes it really hard to like use them properly because I'm dead.
I always forget that coins
There's
are-
probably a power up in here. See, you know it's a good level when you can tell what the power ups are.
Was that sarcasm?
It's half true. Like, it doesn't apply to this level, but... Did you see the Shy Guys on the ground? They're beautiful, aren't they?
I'm out of ideas.
Wait, Shy Guys?
Yeah, look at down in the ground. There's a Shy Guy.
Oh, there's. I like that. That looks nice.
Now I'm alive. I robbed your one up. Your harder. Oh, that's a... That was obvious.
I want to get off Mr. Bones' wild ride. Oh, this is already a train wreck.
Oh man, we need more lives.
Yeah. Because then we can just play as recklessly as possible.
Look, it's a checkpoint.
Oh my god.
Nice.
Wow. That felt impressive.
That was like... one for the highlight reel. We need an instant replay of that. Doesn't seem urban place.
This doesn't seems an urban place.
A urban place.
This doesn't seems a urban place.
Yeah. Duh.
Mushroom.
Oh, yeah. Right. You can go into the house.
I swear to... I thought you were about to just walk away before I could get...
Fuck. Let's go.
You're terrible.
Right. So here's the deal, okay?
Oh, super... This music's in Brawl.
Yeah, it is. No, you didn't.
I thought that was water!
Oh, it's not. It's dead.
Why is that not water?
Look, now the signs point in that direction, which means we have to go that way.
I think you should. I think you should.
Okay, because I found bonsai arrow.
Yeah.
Ah, it worked. Nice.
Hey,
Shortcut.
Wait, that's a ninja to something else.
Right, now I just have to beat the level and you have to die.
In my D&D campaign, I play as an Italian samurai named Giuseppe.
Okay.
So, a Giuseppe is like the catchphrase. I'm trying not to kill.
Here,
Is that on purpose?
of course. Everything I do is on purpose. Ah, dang it.
Wait, you're saying this isn't perfect?
I forgot to mow the lawn. Well, this is Greenish Islands. We've been to Grayish Islands. We have to also play Greenish Islands.
Wait, we spawned at different spots. Does that mean that he did support two-player for some of these levels?
He put it for this level. Let's put it that way.
Dude.
You can climb in this fence, but sometimes have glitch. There is a glitch in Smithbacks. When you're on fences, it retains your speed from the last time you touched the moving layer. As soon as you touch...
Is that why I'm constantly going down?
Yep, you touch the moving layer that is going down last. If you touch one that is going up, you change the
I'm out of
layer.
ideas.
That's how it works. That's how Smithbacks was programmed. And I don't know why the fences are glitchy like that.
Oh, I think I figured that. Oh, this grass hurts my...
Eyes.
What?
The fourth wall called. They want their money back. Or their health insurance.
Ooh, I tried to kill you.
Can't kill me with that. Ah, dang it, I should have made an API that keeps track of deaths for player 1 and player 2.
How long would it take you to write that?
Like, 10 minutes.
We could do that after this level.
Yeah.
If you felt like it.
We can like end the session there and then... By
Did
the
we
way,
already see this?
how do you like the fast boats?
Wait, is this the episode that just has fog BGOs all the time?
Uh-huh.
Like that?
Yeah. This is the Fog video episode. Welcome to hell.
Wait, isn't Shin Baisunkoff the one who made the original level that Sturge redid for Kaizo X3?
Yes.
Cool, that level looked pretty rad.
No, the Kaizo X3 version looks pretty rad because it has better colors.
Oh.
And now we have a death counter, which is inaccurate, but from now on we can count deaths with a little bit of inaccuracy.
This level has one secret and one key. Level maximum lux in first section. Okay. I only read every other word, so...
There's a secret exit and it's very hard to find.
Is it really?
Nice acrobatics.
Oh, I readjusted my seat, which means my microphone's in the way. Oh, that's lava.
Yeah, that is indeed lava.
Why is that lava?
What the hell happened to the Scud Rift? Oh yeah, right, you were dropping it.
Oh, that's
Okay.
an interesting effect. Oh, that's super cool.
It's disorienting.
I'm out of ideas.
I can work with that.
Is that who I think?
Okay. Oh, by the way, I kind of want that we get the secret exit in this level, like on the second run, because. Nice. You want a mushroom?
Oh, sure, I'll take it. Wait, you want to not get the secret exit, or you do want the secret exit?
On like the second playthrough, I would like to get it because the level which is unlocked by the secret exit is actually my favorite level in the entire world.
Really?
Uh-huh.
In the world or the whole hack?
I'm out of ideas.
In like this
episode.
first world
Oh, okay.
of the episode.
Go up, but it's
Right,
not a
we
shit
don't,
post.
we,
Just
don't
tell
have,
it's a real
we don't
thing.
have to get the secret exit.
Yeah.
The secret exit is for the Star World. This is the level I was talking about.
Okay, let's play this level.
Yeah.
Wait, this isn't a shit post. This is just a legitimate LP series.
Look.
You know, just two people playing Smapex over the internet.
This is like the most beautiful looking level in the entire world, in my opinion. Square mushroom. FT was 75th.
Yeah, that's a good place for a
I'm out of
Dagadon.
That platform didn't spawn. Oh, there they are. Oh yeah, by the way, this level has a gimmick.
What? What is
Yeah,
it?
I know, right? These platforms come out of the ground at intervals. And yeah, use them to progress.
Ooh.
Oof. Oh, right. This is bridge builders, by the way. You build a bridge and then munchers happen.
Why?
Yes.
My god. So,
I'm out of ideas.
this is your favorite level? That's good to know.
This is my favorite level in this world.
Well, yeah, but it means you have a compliment for it, which is really nice.
Yeah.
Oh, I like this.
Takes up a lot of event slots, but it works.
Yeah, but for one level, that's fine. Or you can just Lua it, as you are a real-life Luar.
I am a real life lure. I'm not an online lure, though. I only lure in real life.
That seems like it should be a secret.
Okay. So what you do here is that.
That's really lame. Like, that block looks like it should have some purpose.
Look at those coins leading to the
I'm
dragon.
out of ideas. I'm out of
Oh, tricky.
Ooh, damn, you got it.
I mean, Luigi is faster, jumps higher, and can lift more than Mario.
Bonus hill?
Yeah,
What's
this is the bonus hill.
What's this?
There are all the hills on this bonus. BRB winning the game.
You said this is a legitimate level. Whoops.
Freaking Vine stops when you drop in. Okay, so the thing about this level is you have to collect all the red coins, right?
Mm-hmm.
Notice the upside down trees on the ceiling, which is made out of bonus block. And
This is...
at the end, you get a star.
I'm out of ideas.
That's pretty cool. And I got a 1-up. Should that subtract from my death counter?
No.
Come on.
Alright. First castle. No Yoshis.
Why is there... Can you filter in base MovX?
Oh, you can Yoshi filter, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Remember you have a power-up?
No.
That fish is adorable. What?
Okay, thanks for Digit.
Everything's fine, don't worry. We've entered the first fortress. Things might get spooky from here. I don't know about you, but those rotodiscs are very spooky. Also, the bombs have a very wide radius.
What?
Bombs have a big radius. They
No,
are spooky.
I wasn't able to move to the left for a second.
Oh. Oh, by the way, you're out of bounds. Good job.
I'm out of what?
Out of bounds. Guess what we both are? Hi.
Hi.
Right.
Are you supposed to be able to get up here?
No, I can't go up there.
Let me...
Yeah, let's use the fireball. Don't respawn, okay? Okay.
No. Oh, wait. Because I was thinking, wait. Oh, no, it wouldn't work. Wow. I'm really spooked.
Hey, checkpoint.
Chuck point.
Yeah.
Boss crystal drop. Attack like piranha plant attacks warning. Catch the vegetables and throw them. Warning? That's not a warning, that's a hint.
Warning, you have to catch the vegetables. Look, it's him.
Oh,
Oh, we were missing out on the lore.
there's lore?
Yeah. Look at that boss. He has so much lore, you have no idea.
Wait, are those the green Rinkas that you recently made?
No, those are just regular Rinkas, because this is a 1.3 episode.
I mean, come on, they could have done some more with that.
I mean, no, Lua wasn't out yet.
This is that old. I thought this was a relatively new episode.
I mean, Lua wasn't commercially available. It was still only there for the elites, you know?
Yeah.
Such as Mekdrag, Rauka,
And...
Orca. And there he goes. Back into his pipe realm. And then
I
he dies.
just read I have lemonade, but I'm pretty sure that's not right.
I've lemonade.
I am lemonade.
My lemonade has been sprinkled. And then he died.
There we go. Okay, now we can start the next.
Yeah, we can go to Valhalla land.
That... Yeah, okay, this does look kind of like Valhalla.